This video will show you how to appear offline on Instagram by turning off your activity status. If you value your privacy and don't want others to know when you're online, this setting is quick and easy to change. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to hide your online status. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the Settings and Activity menu, where you can customize your account and privacy options. Scroll down until you see the How Others Can Interact With You section. Tap Messages and Story Replies to continue. On the next screen, select Show Activity Status. You'll now find the Show Activity Status toggle. Turn the switch off. As soon as you disable it, Instagram will stop showing your active status and the Active Now or Active Today label to other users. This allows you to browse Instagram, watch Reels, or reply to messages without letting everyone know you're online. Keep in mind that this feature works both ways. After turning it off, you won't be able to see when your friends or followers are active either. Instagram removes activity status for both sides to keep things fair. It's also worth knowing that this setting only hides your online activity. It does not disable read receipts. If you open a message, the other person may still know you've seen it, depending on the chat type and Instagram's latest features. If you ever want to become visible again, simply return to the same menu and turn Show Activity Status back on. Your privacy is now updated. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tutorials.